Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys what I have here. I have the NURZVIY solar panel. It's 200 watts. So if you have one of these like battery packs, these kind of a battery generator kind of packs, if you're out camping and stuff like that and you want to charge it, this is going to be a great way to charge it fast. So I'm going to show you guys what this thing is and we're going to kind of unbox it here and check it out. So let's open it up here. And I did open it up already before, so that's not in the plastic right now, but I'll show you kind of what it is here, and we will go from there. So here I'm going to show you how it opens up. It opens up like that, so it gets to be really big. But here, let me show you what's inside of it here first. We'll kind of go through some of the little pieces and parts, and I'll demonstrate how it works. So we have our manual, and then we have the wire here, and the wire, I already connected it together, but it has the ends here, so it has the 3 different types of ends. Let me bring it a little closer so you can see the different ways of charging the different devices. So you have, this device here, that one there, and that one there. So you have 3 different ways to charge your stuff. So I'm just gonna put it away in here for right now, just for a second, and I'll show you guys how it sets up. So the way it works is you get in the sun, like I am here, and then you see over here on the sides, you have these 2 little sections here that kind of snap out. I have them unsnapped at the moment, but snaps in, snaps out. And so you'll just open it up, and where's my son? My son is over that direction. So then what I'll do is I'll kind of put this up, and you kind of have these. You can open it up, and you can aim it down towards the sun. So there we go. So I am aimed sort of towards the sun, but you can kind of do a little, mine, well, I'm in the shade over here, but you get the idea. So you have it like this, and you have it facing the sun however you want at the different angles and stuff. This doesn't give you a ton of ones, but it is flexible. You see it's kind of on a bungee here, so I could aim it down more, and it's kind of bungee up a little bit, so it gives you a little bit of flex to it. That's actually pretty decent in the sun, except for that panel there. But then you take the wire, which is in here, so it's already connected up, plug it into your generator, and you are good to go. So it's very cool. I used it once, and it charged, not this one, but a different one of mine. Took pretty much all day, but it charged a bigger battery than that, and it did it, so it's really cool. It's the NURZVIY, and let me show you guys here. It's kind of just the manual for it if you guys need any of the details. It's got the specs here, but it does 200 watts, so it's actually pumping out a lot of electricity. It's probably enough to light a couple of incandescent bulbs even with that. I did run my meter on it. I don't have my meter here, but I ran my meter on it, and I was getting about 140 or so, and I wasn't aimed directly at the sun, and it's kind of the winter, so I was doing okay. But that's kind of it, and it's really cool, and I like it, so thumbs up from me on this NURZVIY solar panel 200 watts. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.